Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Binance SAFU insurance fund feature. So let me tell you guys, you do not need to manually activate, opt in or configure the Binance Secure Asset Fund for users because it is an automatic platform-wide emergency insurance fund. There is no button, toggle or feature menu in your account dashboard to use it. Instead, the fund operates entirely on the back end to protect your assets. Here is exactly how the fund works and how it applies to you. So let me tell you how SAFU works. If Binance suffers a platform-wide security breach, hack, or catastrophic system failure, the exchange uses SAFU to directly compensate affected users. You do not need to file an insurance claim. In past incidents, Binance automatically credited lost assets back to user accounts using the reserve. Binance automatically allocates 10% of all trading fees into this reserve. The fund is valued at roughly $1 billion and is kept in transparent, publicly verifiable cold wallets. Now, what SAFU does not cover is personal mistakes. For example, forgetting passwords, sending crypto to wrong wallet address, or accidentally leaking your API keys. Scams and phishing. Falling for external giveaways, scams, P2P fraud, or entering your login details and fake websites. And it also does not cover the market losses, trading losses, liquidations from leverage, or market price drops. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.